Assalamualaikum. How to repair a laptop key? Expert advice for fixing a laptop key. Prepare to repair or replace a key. Tweezer, spudger, Q-tip, toothpick, container. Gather your repair equipment. In order to attempt to repair a key on your laptop's keyboard, you will need the following items. Prying items, something plastic such as a credit card or a spudger is best. You can use butter knife or a flattened screwdriver in a pinch. Cotton swab used to clean grit and dust from the area surrounding the key. Toothpick used to clean grooves around the key. Tweezer used to pull away piece of the key carriage. Container used to store the piece of the key while you make the repairs. Key cap, key carriage, keypad. Now the anatomy of a key. Most keyboard keys are comprised of three parts: the key cap, which is the key itself, the key carriage, a flat piece of plastic on which the key sits, and the keypad, a piece of rubber and sits between the key and the carriage. Find a clean workspace. It's best to find a flat, clean indoor area such as a kitchen table or a counter on which to perform your repairs. Turn off and unplug your computer. Make sure that your computer is off and not plugged into a power source when you go to remove a key. You may want to remove the computer battery as well if possible. Ground yourself before attempting any repairs. While the chances of you damaging your computer internals with the static electricity via or a key repair are slim, grounding only takes a second and is good practice for dealing with electronics in general. Repairing a key. Clean the area around the key using a damp cotton swab. Swab the area between the key that you want to replace the surrounding keys. Clean the grooves beneath the key. Use the toothpick to scrape gently the space below the around the key. Remove the key. Pry up the button of the key at a 45-degree angle. Then pull it away from the keyboard and set up somewhere safe. Review the carry for bent or out of place parts. Remove the key internal parts. This includes the carriage and keypad. Look for the remove any obstructions. One of the most common reasons for computer keys falling to work is foreign material in the area beneath the key. Reinsert the key carriage and pad. Place both the button. Place both in its slot. Insert the top of the key into slot a 45-degree angle. If you can take a refresh picture before removing the keys internal parts, do so. आज की हमारी इस वीडियो का ख़त्म होता है। अल्लाह हाफिज़।